Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to add Cash App on Doordash, guys. So if you want to use Cash App as your payment method in Doordash, it's actually a really simple process. I'm going to show you the steps, okay? Now you can't, listen, let me explain to you first things first, okay? You cannot use Cash App directly. You will need to use the Cash App card that we have on Cash App, okay? So first things first, open up the Doordash app on your mobile device, and when you're logged into your account, okay? Or if you're new, just sign up, okay? But if you're logged into your account, you want to go to your payment method. So what you do is tap on your profile icon that's located at the top left corner of Doordash app. And from that menu, you're going to see payment methods. Click on payment methods, and this is where you can add, remove, or update your payment methods. Now, so under this payment methods, you want to click add a payment method, and you'll be prompted to add either a debit card or another credit card or any other payment method, okay? Just select add a debit or credit card. And then guys, the next step is what you want to add your Cash App details. Just enter your Cash App details. So to find your Cash App card details, just open your Cash App and tap on the Cash Card icon on your home screen. And your Cash App card details will be displayed here. You can just copy your Cash App card details, your card number, expiration date, CVV, zip code, all that, and just enter them into the Doordash app, guys. And then once you've entered your Cash App card information, just save it and add it as a payment method, okay? So Doordash may decide to verify your card by, they may charge a small amount, which is usually refundable. I mean, you're sure you've done this pay before in like Amazon or you're signing up an account. They just charge a small amount, which is usually refunded, okay? Don't worry about that. Now, after saving your Cash App card, it's now available as a payment option, okay? So next time you order food on Doordash, you can just select Cash App card at checkout. That's it, guys. You've successfully added Cash App to your Doordash. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and of course, guys,